Okay, this is a return to base setting to where you press it and it's supposed to return to the charging base, which is right there. Not that far, as you can see. But before it comes to charging base, it runs into everything it can run into. Literally. Look at this. Like, I don't even understand. It is now it's going away from the base. We're going towards the stairs that I'm not going to let it fall down, but it could. And the base is right here, as you see once again. And look at this thing. So if I wasn't to come and stand here, you see what would happen. It would go down there, and it's supposed to go to base, and it is literally going from wall to wall, just banging into wall. Spinning around. Okay. Oh, spinning around. All right. Now we're going away from stairs. All right. Now we're going down the wall. There it goes towards my router. I'm sure it's going to give my router a bang. I'm sure it will. Router. Bang. There you go, router. Excuse me. Runs over the router. Each piece of that wall. Bam. Wall. Door. Now this is, like I said, the return to base setting, and the base is right there, as you can see on the wall. Right there. And so it should go straight to it and engage. Now, sees the base, decides, no, I don't know what it's doing now. It's just rocking and rolling. I guess it's dancing. I don't know that setting, this setting right here. So, I mean, and this is, once again, like I said, it's called charging or return to charge setting. So as you see, the charge is a black deal on the floor right there that is about 3 feet away, and it's doing everything but going to it. So, I mean, I don't know. I can tell you this, I wouldn't recommend it, and I think it's a huge ripoff because the sensors don't work. Nothing it says it does it do. It does pick up a little bit of trash off the floor, but your vacuum cleaner is 1,000 times better, guaranteed, because it leaves behind much more debris than it will ever pick up, by far. By far. It's just somebody's, I would say, it's more like a beta testing type vacuum that people just want to put out on the market because they didn't want to lose all the way on it, because it's one of the worst pieces of electronic equipment I've ever bought in my life, literally. It only cost me $70, and it's a complete ripoff. I would not recommend it, period, to anyone. And I actually bought my parents one, and I'm going over to their house now to get it and return it, because this is, I mean, look at it. Look, what is it doing? What is this thing doing? Please tell me. The base is right there. It's on return to base setting, and what is it doing? Okay, I'm sure you get the picture now of what I mean why I say I would not recommend it to anyone, because this is just crazy. Look at it. All right, you all.
Really worry about a hurricane and major flooding.
He's trying to find his way home. He's done such a good job for the last hour plus. Now he's just crawling along the walls, hoping he can get back to home. And home is over there.
And a lot of those populations originally came from the Caribbean. You talk in your TED Talk about immigrating from Jamaica. I'm curious, on a personal level.
Come on, little guy. You can do it. Oh, you're so close. No, not that way. You were right before. Yep, around that way. No, not that way. This way. Yep, out. Oh dear. Home.
Alexa, turn on vacuum. Alexa, turn on vacuum.
Okay.
This little thing is amazing. And as you can see, I have a dog. And I'm telling you, it keeps up the dog hair so good. And it sounds loud on the video, but it's not loud. And it does hook up to an Alexa or a Google. I promise you, you will absolutely love this thing. I don't know how I got through life without one. So, go get you one.
This thing is amazing. So right now it's getting ready to find its base because it's running out of charge. And it will find its base. It does every time. The base is in the kitchen. The compartment that holds the trash is a lot larger than most. And I have to tell you, I can't believe the amount of trash this thing picks up on a daily basis. But all I can say is this is a great product for the money. It's a little smaller than the normal ones, but guess what? That's even better because it gets in areas that the other one wouldn't go to because it was too wide.
Come on, buddy. What do you think, guys? Watch out, Alvin. Big pieces, but I know there's lots of hair. I've emptied it out, and there's lots and lots of hair in there.